Hello, my dear students. In this session, we are going to consider death of a partner. This is a new chapter after retirement. Now, first of all, I want to say those who have done carefully the previous chapter, that is the retirement chapter, this chapter it will be easy to them because here nothing new. Only there are two exceptions. That is here, death cannot be planned. In case of retirement take place. That is at the end of the year. It is plan wise, but death can happen anytime. So therefore, plan wise calculation we cannot do. And another, the amount payable to the deceased partner means death partner, is transferred to his or her legal representative, because here directly the amount which is to be paid to the death partner we cannot transfer in the name of death partner, because death partner cannot receive the amount. Therefore, the total amount which you have to transfer, you have to transfer the death partner's nominee, legal representative, or another way, executor. So these two thing is different rather than all are similar. Now let's see the accounting processes, accounting steps, how we have to calculate. First of all, opening capital as it is from the last balance sheet. Not only opening capital, along with the opening capital, like if current account balance is there, if death partner provided any loan, we have to consider. Drawings like from the last balance sheet till to the date of death, if any drawing made, that you have to calculate. And along with that, capital and drawing interest on capital as well as share of profit also, like related to that interest on capital, that you have to also calculate share of profit. This two part is new. Interest on capital from the last balance sheet till to the date of death, if it is in the agreement, then you have to calculate interest on capital. Share of profit, generally you have to calculate share of profit because death partner also rendered some useful services before his or her death to the partnership firm. So therefore you have to calculate that share of profit from that business from that time, like from the last balance sheet till to the date of death. So here, regarding the calculation of share of profit, there are two alternative methods are there. One is on the basis of time basis, another turnover or sale basis. Rather than also you have to consider interest on drawing, commission, partner's salary. So this part we know how to calculate interest on drawing from previous chapter, how to calculate commission, how to calculate salary, all this. This is nothing new, only this part is new, calculation of share of profit mainly. Interest on capital also you know, but this part it is new in this chapter. But one sum, maybe one or two sum we did from the chapter of retirement, when retirement take place on of date. Of date means not on the date of balance sheet, not closing date. Balance sheet 31st March, but retirement take place 30th June or maybe July. So that time after the balance sheet till to the date of retirement, we calculated the retiring partner's share of profit, and we passed the entry, that is profit and loss suspense account, debit to retiring partner's capital account. Here also same way, same process will be there, but the name we cannot use here, death partner, deceased partner, like we cannot transfer profit and loss or any other benefit in the name of death partner. Ultimately, we have to credit initially, but finally we have to transfer to the legal nominee. In case of retiring partner, generally we are transferring retiring partner's capital to retiring partner loan, but here we cannot say like that way. Death partner's capital to death partner's loan. Here it will be legal nominee or executor loan. That we have to transfer. That part is little bit new. That part when you will consider full sum, it will be clear. Now, rather than other like benefit which you have to calculate at the time of death of a partner, it is same as retirement, like undistributed profit, maybe generally maybe profit and loss credit balance, maybe any other fund like investment fluctuation fund, maybe workman compensation fund, contingency fund, like these are all undistributed profit, or maybe some losses that you have to consider, as well as we have to consider the share of goodwill, along with that profit or loss on revaluation, that also you have to consider here. So this is the primary idea regarding this chapter, like death of a partner. Now on that basis, like regarding the share of profit purposes, what will be the entry? I already told, but related to that, to numerical problem we consider here. This is the first numerical problem. There are three partners, Kumar, Bharma, and Norris, and the profit sharing ratio is 3:2:2. 23rd January 2015, Bharma, that is second partner, died. So death partner is a Bharma, and here profit is already provided. Bharma's share of profit till the date of his death was calculated at rupees 2350 plus necessary journal entry. So here it is very simple. Already profit provided, no need to calculate his share of profit. Death partner share of profit calculation is not required. Whether it is time basis, whether it is turnover basis, that is not important to us. Already provided, only the solution, only journal entry, that is profit and loss suspense account debit to Bharma's capital account. Here is the solution. So profit and loss suspense account debit 2350 to Bharma's capital account. So that way that entry we already knows, but again here I have shown here. Now another numerical problem, how to calculate death partner's share of profit on the basis of sales or turnover in this numerical problem that is being considered. So here also three partner ABC and their profit sharing ratio 2:2:1. C died on 30th June 2018. Profit and sales for the year 31st March 2018. So from here you have to understand that here it is April to March. So previous year profit were 1 lakh when sale 10 lakh. So after 31st March, like April, May, June, after 3 months she died. So how much profit will be there? That you have to calculate, and that you have to credit it to C's capital, death partner's capital. So here there is a hint. The last year when profit 1 lakh, then sell 10 lakh. Now during that 3 months here profit not provided, or sales provided 1 lakh 50,000. So using this data you have to calculate the profit of the firm, and after that death partner share of profit. So first we can calculate percentage of profit. Here when profit 1 lakh, then sales 10 lakh, or when sales 10 lakh, then profit 1 lakh. So when sales 100, what will be the percentage profit? So it's very simple, 10%. So percentage of profit is coming 10%. The same percentage we can apply here 1 lakh 50,000, there upon 10%. The 15,000 firm's profit arises here. Now out of the 15,000, that is C's share 1 by 5. So 1 by 5, so 15,000 into 1 by 5, 3,000 profit came. Death partner's share of profit came. After that we can pass the entry. If it is asked in the question, the pass also entry, then profit and loss suspense account debit to C's capital. So once you check that solution here, here is the solution. Last year profit as well as sales 1 lakh as well as 10 lakhs. Therefore percentage of profit 10%. Now the current year first 3 months, this is the sales amount 1 lakh 50,000, and percentage of profit is same in this year also. So 1 lakh 50,000 into 10%, that is coming 15,000 firm's profit, entire firm's profit, that profit for ABC. Now from there we will have to calculate death partner share. His share is 1/5. So 15,000 into 1/5, that is coming here 3,000 share of profit of death partner. So that was the instruction, the calculate death partner share of profit. So here C is a death partner, his share of profit 3,000. Now entry we know Though here it is not asked, if you want to pass the entry, then it will be profit and loss suspense account debit to sales capital account. So this is the preliminary idea to the learner regarding this chapter, death of a partner. Now in subsequent class, we have to consider full practical problem, numerical problem, which will give full idea to our learner. I think so this will help to all the learner how to calculate share of profit of death partner, as well as like what are the major accounting steps we have to consider in this chapter. Now I am going to conclude this session. Okay, thank you very much.